That surprise you? Because I'm over here? You're like, wait, what's he doing over there? I can't be over here. I'm left-handed. I gotta go over there. All right? Okay. Better. Okay, welcome to 8.7. What's that squiggle doing over there? Get that out of there. Don't tolerate squiggles on your whiteboards. All right. Do these. I'm hitting pause now. Well, no, you're hitting pause now. I can't hit pause. Pause. Do it. All right, you're back. Here we go. All right, half divided by 3. You're dividing by something bigger than 1, means the answer's got to get smaller. You're always going to be multiplying these guys. It's just a matter of what you do with that answer. So in this case, it's got to get smaller than a half because you're dividing by something bigger than 1. So it's not, so that's it. You do the 3 times the 2, but you have to stick it in the denominator space because a 6th is 3 times smaller than a half. You're like, really, is it? 1 6, 1 6, 1 6, that's 3 6. Sounds like a half, doesn't it? Yeah. All right, let's go over to here. Now we're dividing by something smaller than 1. Answer's going to get bigger. Yep. So it's 6, or 6 over 1, if you're wondering where that 1 went. Because it's how many halves fit into 3 holes. Yeah, okay, you're with it now. I'm not going to say that anymore. No, speedy now. Okay, 9 times 4 is 36. We're dividing by something bigger than 1. Answer gets smaller, so it's 136. 7 times 8 is 56. This time, I'm dividing by less than. It's going to get bigger, so it's just 56, or 56 over 1. And this one, small, it should be getting bigger. And this one, answer should be getting smaller than that. So it's 1/60th. There you go, kids. That's the little mental math warm-up. Now, we're going to be talking today in this lesson about a subject that is going to be on the news a lot. And the reason it's going to be in the news a lot is because it's getting a lot bigger. How much money our country is in debt, in the hole, borrowed from itself and other countries. Okay? A lot of other countries, a lot of China. Anyway, here's the deal. I did some looking up, and you're going to need this information for the top of 298, so get there right now. Lesson 8.7. What is the current national debt? This is how much money we're in the hole. And it's not just that we owe it, but we have to pay interest off of it. So the number gets bigger every day. It's never stopping. It goes deeper every day, the interest every day. The reason it's getting really big right now is because because of the pandemic, our economy needs money. So they're like essentially making money and putting it back into the system so that people can keep going, right? That's going to add to our national debt. All right, here we go. What is the current national debt? I looked it up. This is the number I came up with for today. I don't know if it reflects all this new stimulus stuff, but it's a big number. So the number is 23.3 trillion. That's right. Did he use a T there? Yes, he did. $1 trillion. You're like, well, okay, that's like more than like 10 trillion, but how much is that? Let's do it. Let's write it out. 23, comma, 3. That little point becomes that. Now we're going to fill it in with zeros until we have trillion. Now it's thousands. Now it's millions. Now it's billions. That's $23 trillion. A lot of zeros. Okay. So record the hourly wage. Okay, last time we were doing things with like UPS drivers and $18 an hour or something like that. No. For the purposes of this lesson, because you're going to be figuring out how long it would take somebody to pay off this debt, I looked up how much the average lawyer, so this is a highly educated, highly paid profession, how much an average American one gets paid. And it turns out they get paid, if you take an average, is $56.81 an hour. All right, which is a lot better than the 18. It's not hugely different. It's about 3 times as much, which is not that much more. But let's not use the 56.81. No. Let's say we're not going to be paying this off with just an average lawyer. It's going to be a really dynamite lawyer. Let's say a lawyer that makes 3 times what the average lawyer makes. So we're going to choose our hourly wage is going to be 324, carry the 2. 3 times 18 and 20, carry the 2. 3 times 15, 2 more, 17. That is, oops, we're going to do, so here is the hourly wage that I want you to do. And you need a calculator for this lesson. Did I not say that? Go get a calculator for this lesson. Okay, so the hourly wage you're going to be doing is you, hotshot lawyer, are making $170.43 an hour. That's pretty kicking it, even in America. Okay, so that's the hourly wage. You're going to put in box number 2. Record your estimate from the math message for the number of hours a typical person works in a lifetime. I'm just giving you that information now. And it's going to be 2,000 hours. Okay? About 2,000 hours. Oh, wait, I lied. 2,000 hours is what a person works in a year. Okay? 1 year. 2,000 hours per year. All right? So the question says, how many hours does a person work in a lifetime? Yeah, it used to be that people were supposed to retire at 65. Fewer and fewer people are doing that these days. So let's say that this high-shot, high-priced lawyer worked from age 22 to 72. How many years is that? Very good, that's 50 years. So let's do 2,000 hours times 50. You're like, man, I don't want to do that. So good, don't. Just do the 5 times 2 is 10, and add 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it in there. And that's our number. 100,000 hours. Put that in for box number 3. 100,000 hours is what we're going to assume the number of hours a typical person works in a lifetime. So I've given you all the information you need now to do the rest of page 298. So do that and look at the next video.